Is the next bullish wave for Bitcoin about to begin? If you're interested in knowing more about this, please keep watching. I welcome everyone to join my WSOT team. In the next 10 days, I will select 3 lucky members each day from the team, and each lucky member will receive a bonus of $30. We will announce the 3 lucky winners at the end of today's video. I welcome everyone to join my team, so that you'll have the opportunity to share in the prize money. This is my personal money that I'm giving away to my friends. Let's get back to the market analysis. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that earlier today, I witnessed Bitcoin moving upward from the lower position. Now, let's take a look. The candlestick pattern seems to indicate a bullish reversal. I reckon so. Let's only focus on this candlestick. What are the candlestick's characteristics? First, it has a long lower shadow, occupying more than half of the candle's length. Additionally, the volume at the bottom, although not particularly high, stands out compared to the surrounding volume. I would consider that at this point, it has tested the support level by making a spike. Then, we witnessed a bottom reversal, indicating a signal for potential upward movement, especially considering this bottom reversal occurred after a pullback. In this bullish market, it reinforces my belief that it's a signal indicating a potential upward move. Personally, I already hold some long positions. Alright. Now, let's switch to a smaller time frame, because, as you can see, a quick pullback occurred after the upward movement. Let's look at our main concern, which is the wedge pattern. This wedge pattern. Okay. It has now been broken. It's been broken. However, the question remains whether this breakout presents a good opportunity. Alright. Let's take a look. When it comes to a breakout, we are primarily looking at the strength of the bullish trend, which can be reflected in several aspects. First is the trading volume. If the breakout occurs with significant trading volume, it generally indicates a higher probability of being a genuine breakout. Although we can see some volume appearing on smaller time frames, if we switch to a larger time frame, such as this time frame, encompassing the previous consolidation area, we find that the volume generated by this breakout is not exceptionally high. It's not exceptionally high. While it's a positive signal for the bulls, it's not quite indicative of the start of the next significant bullish wave. In my opinion, if this part were to be the starting point of the next bullish wave, we would need to see more substantial trading volume. The current volume alone isn't enough. We should aim to see volume levels similar to what we had. Once that happens, I would be more confident in expecting a strong bullish trend ahead. Next, let's observe the continuity of the candlestick patterns. If we are indeed starting a new bullish trend, we expect to see a series of consecutive bullish candlesticks, accompanied by good trading volume. However, as you can see, the continuity isn't very convincing. After a few upward candles, we encountered a swift and forceful pullback, resulting in long upper shadows and subsequent consecutive bearish candlesticks. Though the trading volume isn't high either, this lack of continuous upward movement isn't favorable for the bulls. Considering the current situation, it might be wise to adjust our positions. If the market appeared to be turning against the bullish case, reducing our bullish positions would be a prudent move. The resistance encountered at this point is actually quite reasonable. Why is that so? Looking at the chart this way, we can appreciate the art of technical analysis's magical nature. Notice how perfectly the earlier candlesticks, their real bodies, closed around the $29,700 mark. There are support and resistance reversals. Subsequently, after the consolidation below, it retested the resistance. It closed with a long upper shadow, facing resistance at this level. So, here's an S/R reversal. Now, this S/R reversal level is actually the lower boundary of the entire box pattern. Well, you can see that if we extend the box pattern until this spot, hey, it's coincidentally the lower boundary of the box. Encountering resistance here is quite reasonable. Why is that so? You see, during the box consolidation, there were both buyers and sellers. When the price broke below the box, Those who bought within the box region above got trapped. Therefore, when the price approaches their break-even point, they tend to sell to unlock their holdings, causing some selling pressure on the market. So, the resistance at this level is understandable. However, this also indicates that the current upward move is not very strong, or at least not as robust as I had hoped for. I haven't seen the kind of strength I expected from the market yet. Therefore, for the next upward move, we need to see much stronger trading volume to make a more confident judgment. Alright. Moving on. If we want a favorable situation for the bulls, I would say we need to break through this level, around $30,400. You can see that this level aligns perfectly with the midpoint of the entire trading range. This level is crucial, as it represents the dividing line between bullish and bearish strength. At the same time, it aligns with the previous S/R reversal level, where we encountered clear resistance. If the price can break above this resistance, it would indicate that the previous downtrend is no longer in play. Currently, however, I'm not entirely certain about this upward move. You can observe that the upward momentum is not very continuous. We encounter supply quickly. Currently, we are around 0.382 Fibonacci level. Well, yesterday's low point is also significant. Let's discuss it on the daily chart. On the daily chart, you can see that when we draw the trend line like this, the current price perfectly and interestingly falls on the trend line. Actually, just because it touched the trend line doesn't necessarily mean it's about to start an upward move, though it has been the case before. We have a very good example from the previous market trend. During that time, I'm not sure if you still remember it. After hitting the price level, oh my, we quickly witnessed a sharp downturn. Hitting a level doesn't always guarantee an immediate bullish wave. It's not that straightforward. It also depends on the quality of the hit and how the subsequent market unfolds. From the current situation, at least in my opinion, the bias is still toward the bullish side, and my main strategy would be to go long on pullbacks. This is because the current trend is obvious. If we look at the daily time frame, the current trend still slightly favors the bulls, with some advantage. Okay, let's move to a smaller time frame. Here, observing the trading volume, we can see that the bullish momentum is still strong, but this recent pullback has been quite significant in amplitude. Currently, several key levels are essential to watch. The first is at $29,700, which must be overcome. Then, we have the $30,400 level. These two levels will be the focus of my attention going forward. Cool. Let's move on to the lucky draw. For the participants on our team, we will randomly select 3 friends from them, and each winner will receive $30. I will announce the winners in the comments section of our video. Alright. Let's proceed with the draw. This is generated randomly from numbers 1 to 666, as we have 666 people on our team, making it a fair process. Let's draw the 3 lucky friends now. Alright. Here we go. Wow. These are quite big numbers. 286, 316, and 571. Okay. It's number 286, right? 286. Let's take a look. So, for the lucky winners, all you need to do is send an email to cryptoassistant.help@gmail.com, confirming that this account belongs to you. Once you do that, I will collect your USDT TRC20 address and directly transfer the reward to your address. 286. Give me a minute. The winner for number 286 is u*****1@gmail.com. Number 286. Then, number 316. Let's see number 316. The winner for number 316 is mja@yahoo.com. The email holder. And lastly, number 571. That's quite a big number. 571. So, I warmly welcome everyone to join our team. If you join our team, in the next 10 days, Before the competition, we will conduct daily draws. The results will be publicly announced at the end of each video. Number 571. Mark. I don't know to pronounce this. Mock Mickness. Mock. Mickness. Apologies if I mispronounced it. Anyway, number 571. Congratulations on winning a lucky draw prize. To the 3 lucky winners mentioned above, please send an email to the email I mentioned. It will assist you in processing and delivering the prize money to your specified USDT TRC20 addresses. If you also want to participate and have a chance to win, join my team now. Alright, thank you. You're welcome to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos and turn on the little bell button to show me your greatest support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.